Alrighty, so how are you doing so far? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. So what we're going to be doing now is learning our first song. So now you can play quite a few chords. You know a couple of strumming patterns. Hopefully you can switch through those chords pretty well. Hopefully you're feeling pretty comfortable with switching through chords. And now it's song time. So I'm going to be walking you through your first song now. We're going to have it on screen so that you'll be able to follow along really nicely and easily. So the song that we're going to be learning only has 3 chords, and again, those are our 3 favorite chords that we already learned and hopefully you know really well. A major, E major, and D major. Okay, so the first time around, I'm going to be showing you how to just play the song using really simple strumming, and then I'm going to be teaching you the same song, and we're going to be adding in just a little bit more pepper into that strumming, okay? So let's get started now on the A major. And if you take a look at the text here, you'll see it says, don't worry. Then that word worry has the A over it. So if you ever see the A over a word, it means A major. If it were to say A and then have a small M after it, it would be referring to A minor, which we also already learned. But in this case, and in this song, we're only playing major chords, so that's why it only says a capital A, capital D, or capital E throughout the sheet music here. So again, I'm starting off on the chord A major, and we're going, don't worry, 2, 3, about a major thing. 3, 'cause every little thing, you see that? On every, it goes to a D, is gonna be all A. See that? And this is how songs work, okay? It's really important now at the beginning for you to, when you're learning songs, really try to sing along. I'm not a good singer either, but just in the act of singing is gonna help you find strumming patterns that work and get a good feeling for the song, okay? So I highly encourage you to try to sing along, okay? Okay, so let's start over again, and please forgive my singing. I'm also a terrible singer, but I'm just singing to help guide you through the song, okay? So again, we're only gonna be doing downstrokes, and we're gonna go, don't worry about A. So we're playing A again, 'cause D little thing is gonna be a A. 2, 3, singing don't A about A, 'cause D is gonna be a A. Try to play along with me. Rise up this A, smile with the E, sun. 3 little D birds perched by my A, singing sweet songs of melodies E, saying D, this is my message to A, singing don't A about A. So we're staying on A 2 times now, 'cause every little thing, you see, went to the D, is gonna be all A. Singing don't A about A, 'cause D is gonna be a A. Alright, so we just played the entire song, and you could get away with playing the song like that. Now, in the second part of this lesson, and I'm going to make a separate video for it just so you can switch between the two, you would be able to play a kind of more complex strumming pattern, and I'm going to be teaching you that. So that one would, just so you can hear, sound a little bit like this. Don't, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So that's just going to make it sound a little bit more groovier. But the same principles are still being applied here. We're always going to be changing chords directly over the word, so the text word that's on the paper. That's when you're going to be switching chords. And if you try to sing along to the song, really help you get a feeling for how the song feels and where you should be changing chords. All right, so I highly, highly recommend listening to the original first of all, so you can get a feeling for how the song sounds and feels, and then trying to sing it yourself. Okay, so now we've walked through we walked through our first song, and now it's time to move on, and I'm going to be showing you the same song, just using a kind of more groovy strumming pattern. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson. Play this one a couple of times just to get a feeling for how songs work. You can print it out, and then you will be ready for the next lesson that's coming right now. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson. See you there. Bye-bye.